Yes, students. So I think you all understood what is the pivoting. Pivoting is one of the key action for a data analyst, means providing an access to the table data. On the basis of that access, the database will work. That is a pivoting. And to make pivoting table, we use pivot and pivot table method from pandas. So we can easily summarize and analysis, and we also create a meaningful reports with help of pivoting. The pivoting use pivot methods. So how we can implement that method? Let's understand. So pivot method creates a new data frame after reshaping the data on the basis of column values. So actually we already created data frame df pd.d data frame pd.data frame, so that create the data frame. But when we implement the pivot method, so that is also create a new data frame. Clear? This is also create the new data frame, and it is of after reshaping the data on the basis of the column value. So according to the column value, actually it reshape it. And this method takes three arguments, means into the pivot methods we pass three arguments, and these arguments are index. Clear? The index, columns and values. We have three index, column and values. So these three arguments you have to pass into the pivot method, and minimum two arguments are compulsory. So whenever you will call the pivot method, so you can pass any three arguments. If you want to pass only two, so you can do this, because its minimum requirement is two arguments. So that's why you can pass only two also. And next, in the form of argument value, you have to pass column name of original table. Clear? So you also pass, because we have to perform the operation into the column. So that's why the column should be original name. Clear? Then pivot methods create a new table whose indices of row and column are the same, which you have given as argument. So it will create the rows and column. Clear? Same with same value. Cell value of new table will come from the column which you have given as parameter. So which column you will pass into the pivot methods, so that will create the new table with help of these columns. So into which column you want to perform the pivot methods, so you simple pass into the argument. So how you can perform the pivot method? So first you have to call the pandas object dot pivot method, and you can pass three arguments: index, column and values. This is the syntax of your pivot method. So panda means we create the data frame. So like we have the data frame df, so we keep here, we place here df dot pivot and then these three parameters. So what is the index? Where index creates a index of new data frame, which is the column name from the table. Clear? So this is the index. Column, where column creates column of new data frame, which are the names of column of table. And third, where values create columns of new data frame, which are the value of the column name from table. So this is introductions of pivot method, how you can implement and what is its arguments. I think you all understand. So this, with help of the pivot method, we can easily analysis our records, our data frame.